So was it this car?
Correct.
Okay. Just make sure got the plate. Just gotta get the plate off your car.
No, you don't. How can I help you?
I'm just gonna get the plate off the car.
And I'm saying, why do you need to do that?
What's the problem?
Why do you need to do that?
Are you about to drive away?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. This is not like a game. You're recording too.
You don't need my license plate.
Why?
Why do you need my license plate then?
Are you saying like you're not a valid driver?
I am a valid driver.
Okay.
But why do you need to copy my license plate though? You're not answering that question. Again, tell me why you need to copy my VIN number and license plate.
What
is your name, ma'am?
It's right here.
Okay, if you're not answering the person question, why do you need to copy someone's VIN number and license plate? Can you please tell me that? Can you please tell me that, ma'am? You guys, I'm recording her. She doesn't want to tell me why she want to copy my license plate or anything like that. So can I please have your name and why you copy my information? I do have the right to know that.
I already have it. Thanks.
Have a good day. That's freedom of speech, honey.
If you want to talk like that on camera, that's fine. You're just showing yourself true colors.
But you didn't tell me why you copied my information. Please don't touch me.
Don't touch me.
This is my car.
Don't touch me.
I'm not touching you.
Don't touch me.
As you guys see, guys, I'm touching myself and not her. Excuse me, don't touch me. You're touching me.
You're touching
me. You guys,
me.
as you see, it's a video. She's touching me. Look, can I please get? I'm trying to open my car door.
Get away from me.
I'm trying to open my car trunk.
Get away from me.
Can I please open my car trunk without you by my car? Thank you.
I intend to. Get away from me.
I'm not touching you. Don't touch me. You guys see this? Stop touching me. You guys see this? Stop touching me.
Get away from me.
I'm by my car.
Get away from me.
I'm by my car. Stop touching me. I am by my car. Stop touching me, ma'am.
Get away from me.
I'm not by you. I'm not touching you.
I need help.
I'm not touching you. I'm not touching her.
You're being detained. Let go. You're being detained.
I'm not. You not touching me.
You're being detained. You're not cooperating. You're being detained.
Can you stop touching me? I didn't touch you, honey. I didn't touch you, honey.
Turn around.
No,
right
I did not
You're
touch
not
you.
Listening.
I did not touch you, so I did not have a.
You're not listening. You're being detained.
Oh my, you guys see, thank you for recording this. Do you see this?
You're
thank
being
you
detained.
so much for recording me. Stop
You're
touching
not
me.
listening. You're not listening. Stop resisting.
Stop
You're
touching
not
me.
listening.
Can you please help me?
Stop
please?
resisting.
You guys tell my mom.
You're
I'm not touching
listening.
her.
I'm not here for you.
You're not listening.
Okay, I'm not touching her.
Stop resisting.
I'm not touching you. I'm not. Stop touching me, please.
29 times a
Stop
chance.
touching me. Can you not stop touching me? Why are you guys not touching me? Why are you touching me? He's a man. A man's not supposed to touch me.
No, stop.
A man's not supposed to touch me.
Resist
How you let him touch me?
Stop resisting.
He's touching me. Stop. He's touching me.
Stop
I don't want
resisting.
him touching me.
Stop
He's
resisting.
touching me.
Stop resisting. Put your hands behind your back. No!
Okay.
Other hand!
Stop behind my back.
Stop resisting now!
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
You don't touch a law enforcement officer!
She got recorded. You finna go to jail, bitch.
Let go of your hand!
She has her all recorded. You finna be so screwed. Thank you so much.
Newsflash, you're being recorded this entire time.
Okay. I'm not resisting. Can I please get up now? No, you cannot touch my car door.
Baby's in that car.
No, it's not. My mom has
Hey,
them.
put them in the other vehicle.
Can I please get up, please?
No, you will stay right here until my partner comes.
I have asthma, so I have to get up. I have asthma. Thank you. Can I get up? Please, I have asthma. I can't breathe. Can I please get up? I have to lift my arms up.
You could keep your hand behind your back.
My hand's behind my back. Can you show her the video, please? Damn, can you look at that video? I remember it says nothing. No, please show her the video.
I'm gonna help you by pulling this down a little bit here, okay?
She allowed him to touch me.
Okay, because I told you multiple times.
Can you, I don't want her to touch me. Okay. Because she's doing something wrong.
Let
Let me go.
Stop resisting.
Can I take?
Let me go. I want her to touch me. Can you tell her stop touching me? I will touch you. Ow. Tell her stop touching me. I want you to touch me.
I will.
Stop.
So just stand right here for me.
Listen.
Let me go.
Stop.
Stop.
Don't fucking squeeze me.
Stop.
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 You guys see this?
Stop.
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 squeezing
Just
me.
Stop. Take a breath for me. Stop.
Stop.
Lean up against the
Let go of me.
I'm not even.
Let's go of me.
Let go.
Let go.
Let go.
Let
Calm down. Take a
Go.
breath.
Let me go. Look, she touched my hand now. She's also let me go.
Can you hang on with me?
Yes, she let me go.
I'll take her.
Thank you. Let me go now, dumb bitch.
I'll take her.
She said she'd let me go.
No, you're not going.
Can you let me go, please?
I'm gonna walk you over to.
Okay, can you tell her let me go, please? I'm asking. Can you tell her let me go? Thank you, dumb.
Okay. Walk with me. We're gonna go and
Why
talk.
are you suddenly following me?
Walk with
You
me.
gonna tell them what you
Walk
told me?
with me.
Get out my face.
Walk with
Go.
Walk with me. Come with me.
Go ahead.
We're gonna walk up to the car.
I'm gonna start right here. I'm cool. Can I get these off now, please?
Not right now, because I don't know what's going on. I
She
can't
can
take
show
them
you the whole
off.
video. Excuse me, ma'am. Did she touch me first? She threw me on the ground first. I didn't even touch her.
So here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna walk you to the squad
this
car.
I am.
Walk you to the squad car. So
I'm suing you. Hey.
Listen to her, please.
I need you to walk with me. We're gonna walk up to the squad car up here.
No, why am I walking to the squad
Because
car?
you are currently detained.
For what?
For touching me.
I never. She said to take for touching.
Go.
Did I touch her?
Walk.
Did I touch her?
Walk.
Thank you. 2 people said I didn't touch her.
Okay.
Walk.
Stop touching me.
Listen to the officer.
Stop touching me before I slap.
Listen to the
We don't need to make this worse, right? So let's just walk.
Can you detain me, please? Actually, I need my phone.
We'll get
No,
it.
it's in there. I don't want to keep off. I need my
I'm
phone.
going back there. Just walk with me.
Stop touching me.
You need to cooperate then.
I'm gonna make sure you got my phone. That's it.
2-5 out with him.
She stopped
You
touching
need
me.
to walk.
Can you tell her stop touching me?
I'll have this other officer grab on your arm.
So I don't want her to touch me.
Okay,
That's it.
here we go.
Okay.
Where are we going? We're gonna walk over here, okay?
Thank you so much,
What's your name?
Regina.
Regina, okay.
I need to be released from these handcuffs now.
Okay, well, right now, until I know what's going on, I'm not releasing
Okay,
you.
can she please get her from, please? I want her away from me.
Right now we're gonna face
Okay,
this
that's
car.
fine, but can you tell her please let me stop coming?
Okay, she's walking away, okay?
Thank you, but she's not walking away. Can you tell her move, please?
Listen, you need to just relax.
I am, but she's touched me for no reason. How did you guys feel?
Okay, just face that way. I'm gonna search you, okay?
I don't have nothing. I don't have to search me.
Okay.
What
You don't got nothing on you?
I don't even have pockets.
Okay, all right. I'm just gonna pat you down, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Struggling with her for a little bit. They're still basically struggling with her. I see you're upset.
Why
but we're gonna
are you
make sure-
patting me down if I didn't do nothing wrong?
Hey, Regina, here's the deal. You're in handcuffs. I gotta make sure you don't have any weapons on you. Okay?
They all just told you guys I didn't touch her.
I just got here,
And
okay? Here's the deal.
That's not fair.
Here's the deal.
That's all wrong.
Here's the deal.
She even allowed the other man to touch me.
Listen, I can't look at the video until I have you calm
Okay.
down, okay? I want to look at the video.
I didn't get arrested. I didn't do anything wrong.
We're going to have you sit in the squad car, and then we're going
No,
to
I'm not.
investigate what happened.
I'm not sitting in that SWAT car, ma'am. I have claustrophobic. I'm already out of breath. I tried to need my inhaler.
we'll leave
she
that-
tackled me without my inhaler.
Okay, we'll leave that.
I'm not.
The
I'll
door's
sit
gonna
right
be
here
on the curb.
I will sit down or stand up, but I'm not gonna go
Sit
anywhere.
down. You're gonna sit down.
I can't have to breathe. Sorry.
You're gonna sit
I'm
down.
gonna stand right here. I promise I won't go anywhere. I promise I won't.
All I was trying to do is get the plate. She would not move out of the way. And I went over to try to get the VIN. She's like, this with me. And I said, get away from me. Back away. And then she wouldn't. So I tried to detain her, just get her away from me. It's turned into this whole thing. And when I'm trying to put her in cuffs, she's like, digging into me. She wouldn't stop.
Can I tell you guys what happened? They were trying to take my car down. Long story short, right?
Hold on. You got cuffs on you. I'm just going to read you your rights, okay? Because I don't want
I'm
you
not
to say
going to.
anything that could possibly incriminate you. So I just want to make sure we're doing this the right
I
way,
got
okay?
video.
Okay, that's cool.
And they got video.
Just going to read you your rights,
said that
okay?
I
You have the
got
right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand these rights?
Yes, I do. She's gonna get sued.
Okay.
They were trying to tow my truck. My complex gave me permission to park my car there. He said it was okay.
The guy in the blue
Yep.
shirt? And
So
who is he?
He's the apartment people. So, long story short, the lady came. She was trying to record my VIN number and license plate. All I asked her, like, ma'am, can you tell me why that you want this information?
And who's her? Who's the lady?
The other police officer, I don't know her name. She never even told me her name on the scene.
Okay.
She hopped on the scene, didn't tell me the name.
Okay.
Why she wanted my information. I said, ma'am, I do have the right to know. Why are you taking my
So
VIN number?
where was your car?
Right back there.
It's that white one? Mm-hmm. Okay.
I said, I do have the right to know why you take my information now. She will not tell me. It's okay. You're not going to copy my information then. You're not going to tell me why I do have that
Yeah.
right to know. You know
Okay.
what I'm saying?
Okay.
She will not tell me. She was asinine. So I'm like blocking right in front of the, so she couldn't take my license plate down. So she's pushing me.
Okay.
I'm lifting my hands. I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you. So then she decided to say, stop resisting. Then she allowed that man to put his hands on me. You're not a police officer. She allowed that man to slam me down, throw me on the ground, and some more stuff.
Okay.
So I like to press charges
so
against
this
him.
was all on video?
All on video. They have it all on video.
Okay.
I like to play charges on him and their company.
So this tow company was here already?
Yep, they were here
Correct?
already. Yep.
Okay.
Hi. Can you start with telling me kind of what, like...
Yeah, so I woke up this morning to see the gentleman and her kind of arguing about her vehicle. She lives here. She was telling them essentially, I live here, you can't tow my stuff. Property manager comes out to let them know that she lives here, can't tow her stuff. I don't know, then the cops showed up, and then they're trying to get her vehicle number at the top and her license plate. And she was letting them know, I don't want you to have my vehicle number and my license plate. And the cop and her are kind of going around the car, like a merry-go-round, and then this is where it got intense. She just came straight through and was being pretty aggressive. I get the situation was escalated and there was a lot going on, and then the guys came over and helped throw her on the ground. 9 officers, tow truck man.
Could you hear anything being said?
Oh yes, I could hear it. My speaker's pretty low. But she kept saying, don't touch me, don't touch me.
Now that I have
So we're going to watch all the video, get everything figured out, okay? So who called the tow truck?
I don't know, ma'am. Bring my phone up here, please.
No, you're not going to be able to use a phone. You're not going to be able to use a phone.
FaceTime daddy. And you can put the phone in my face.
No, you can't.
Yes,
You're
you can.
detained right now.
When we're all done with this, then you can call whoever you want.
Hey, grab my
You're not
phone.
talking to anybody right now.
I can talk. I have the right to talk to anybody.
We're going to put her in the squad. Yep, you're being detained right now, okay?
Okay.
So you can't talk to anybody.
Just going to sit right here. We'll get the AC going, okay?
We're just going to have you sit in the car right now.
That's good. They just trying to detain me. Hold on.
You are detained. You're in handcuffs.
They trying. You don't got to be smart, you asshole. But I'm just saying you don't got to be an asshole.
All right, have a seat, Regina,
I'm just
okay?
saying you're not able to talk to anybody.
Just put your feet in. We'll get the air going, okay?
Okay.
I can't talk to my daughter?
Not right now.
No, that he can talk to me. That's my dad. My dad has the right to talk to
No,
me.
he doesn't. I will talk to you in a minute, sir, okay? Thank you. Appreciate it.
I didn't do anything wrong. Again, I'm not
being
detained.
detained.
I'm not
Okay.
detained
You
for
are
no reason.
detained, okay? You're detained until we figure this investigation
How long
out,
is it gonna
okay?
take?
As soon as I'm done talking to you, I can go talk to them, okay?
All right, we're still trying to figure this out. It sounds like there was a dispute over, there was a tow or something. Her vehicle is getting towed. An officer responded out. Physical interaction happened between her and the officer. I'm still trying to sort it all out, okay?
Okay.
I want you guys I'll let you talk to her once I can figure out what's going on and what's happening. But right now, she's in handcuffs. She's detained. There was a physical fight.
I understand.
So what do you guys got?
Talked to Blue Shirt manager. He said that she was able to use that spot from a different employee months ago for loading and unloading kids.
Okay.
Not an actual parking spot. Apparently she's using it as an actual parking spot.
So long story short, Brittany's investigating.
Tries to get plate information. You go to the detainer because she won't let you do your investigation, and the fight's on.
Yep. She was physically blocking me. She was like this.
Which you're
I'm
investigating a parking violation, and we're requested here by the tow company, who was called by management.
After clarifying what took place, the sergeant explains the entire situation to the suspect's father.